centipede. It's always been called a centipede.
He's a loving and giving caregiver.
What have you got there?
A Lithopius forticatus.
Centipede.
Well, chuck the filthy thing away.
It's for my insect collection.
Then take it up to your room, okay?
Can I go out and find some more specimens?
Later, you've got to help your uncle in the cellar. Now then, finish your breakfast.
Oops, wrong bowl.
3M today, a more vibrant future for the plastic resin-based industries. Finally a movie for our generation. Swinging. Woo. Woo.
Hey, it's Greg Brady.
Cool.
No, hold it.
Huh?
It stinks.
We agree.
Let's take it again from the top.
Here's your coffee. I've made it special for you. I'll be right over here. Bye.
You guys are all over the place.
Yeah, you're up in the mountains, you're in the studio, you're in a cave, you're in a shotgun shack, you're in another part of the world, you're on top of Old Smoky there. Oh, you're all over the place.
We're just as confused as you are, folks.
To heck with this, Norm. Let's go down to the suburbs and crash through a school window.
Hey, okay. Hey, you hear about Phil? He got hit by a truck last night.
Ooh, down by the Salt Lick?
Yep.
Oh, what a shame.
Here they come.
Walking down the street, they get the funniest looks from everyone they meet.
Hey, wait, those aren't deer?
Well, let's shoot them. They're not wearing orange.
No, they're gonna die in that samurai Jeep anyway.
You're still in first. No, move. You don't know how to drive a stick, do you?
Oh, hell, don't say they're gonna have problems. Not now.
They're gonna have problems. Not now.
Christ. No, there they go. They're okay. Good riddance.
Now we can kill us some game in peace and quiet.
Do you realize what you just said?
Or maybe just go and rest in their cabin.
Was,
I say we take a rest.
You're the death of it. Flying over trout? Hey, you think the mic's picking up their dancing?
Lyrics by Mrs. Johnson's kindergarten class.
Wind in my eyes?
all
Everybody.
victims ready to sco?
Idiot patrol now. Idiot patrol. Hey, Greg Louganis is so talented.
Cute, too.
Young Republicans, they're so hip.
This might be Mike Curb Congregation's best album ever.
Now they got it together.
Oh, yeah, they got it together now.
Ceiling needs painting. Oh, yeah.
He's really good.
Good. He's the best.
Oh, I could say.
Just leave it right
Idiot potato. Idiot control now. Idiot patrol now. Digging this pearl now. Woo. Oh, nice song, but I think it needs a hook or something. Get down, Crow.
I can't. Get back up.
Woo.
If these guys get any more soul,
Yeah.
we'll have to order out for greens.
Okay. Good.
Huh?
Well? It stinks.
Wah, wah, wah.
Well, what's the matter
Who
with it?
knows? It was great.
I hope you're joking.
I never joke about my living.
Well, I thought it was great this time.
Great, yeah. Kathy was half asleep, and you, Tracy, you were blasting out like a foghorn.
What's wrong with him, then? Did he get up on the wrong side of the bed, huh?
You should know.